Going on, guys, I'm going to give you a quick walk around video of my 2018 Stingray Sport S JL Wrangler. I've had this for about 4 months now, got about 4,000 miles on it. Absolutely love this thing. It's super awesome. This is my third Jeep I've had. First one I had was an XJ, then I went for an LJ, the TJ Unlimited longer wheelbase. So this is my third one. I absolutely love it. I do a lot of sort of overland style, with a lot of camping, a lot of local trails with my my Jeep club. So yeah, I'm going to give you a quick walk around and check it out. Okay, we'll start at the front end here. First of all, we got the ARB stubby bumper. Absolutely love this thing. Obviously we've got the clearance there from the tires from the stubby, and it's nice low profile here, so we got a really good angles on the front here. One thing I will be doing soon is chopping up these frame horns, just so we don't get hung up on those. And then we also have the VR10 worn winch. Currently has the steel cable on it, but that will be upgraded to a synthetic one in the future. And then also the Factor 55 Pro Length. That thing's super awesome. Nice just to be able to get a soft shackle through there. Super rad that. Anything else in the front end? Yeah, we got these light inserts and the grill inserts. Those are Amazon deals. Kind of gives a nice sort of look to the front end. I really like those. Those are cheap little upgrades from Amazon. Tires we're running. These are the MILESTAR Patagonias. These are 35s, 12.5s on 17-inch rims. Absolutely love these tires. We have a lot of mud in Florida and sand, and they just hold up great for those. And the road noise, very minimal. Extremely happy with these. These are some of my favorite tires I've run. I highly recommend these. As you can see, I'm still running the stock rims. That's just due to my budget. This is kind of a budget-friendly mods that I've been doing, trying to do the stuff that I need to do first and slowly upgrade into what I need. Having said that, we upgraded the suspension. We did a 2.5-inch spacer kit from Ready Lift. It's actually a really nice lift. Let me get in here and you can see. The quality of the products is amazing. This is one of the more expensive spacer lifts. The spacer puck up the top here is not your cheap plastic thing. It's a really nice steel powder coated piece they have there, and it comes with aluminum bump stops. You get one set of sway bars which you put on the back, and then the stock Mopar ones move to the front. So that's a really nice spacer lift. Eventually we're going to something like a rock crawler or whatever in the future, but for right now it just does the job. We also got a set of the Fox Mopar shocks. These are off of JT. We got those from Facebook Marketplace. So those were as a cheap, excellent mod. Changed the ride of the Jeep tremendously. Highly recommend those. Normally with these spacer kits you get the shock extensions, which you can see there. We're running the front ones, but we didn't need to run the rear ones with the shock upgrades. So the rears, we didn't need those ones. And here you can see that's the bump stop plate there. So it's a really nice kit. It rides really well. It rides just the same as stock. We are running the, I don't know if I said this, we are running the G2 gear and axle wheel spacers for now, just for clearance for the tires. Obviously not a big fan of running those, but you got to do what you got to do. So we'll keep those on until we upgrade the wheels. What else? We'll start to go towards the back. This is a Smitty built recovery point. I don't really like these stock ones. I don't really trust them too much with them being open, like a closed one. So yeah, these do the job just fine. It's another cheap mod. I think it's like 30 bucks for that. So that's pretty cool. We have the Cooltech, I think it is. I think that's what they call Cooltech CB mount. Pretty nice. In the kit it comes with the mount, the cable, and a bunch of other stuff. That's pretty cool. Nice little CB mount there, and obviously it's a fire stick. It actually comes with a fire stick, not this one. It was the smaller, thinner one, but I ended up breaking the top off of my garage roof, my garage door. So I ended up originally had it mounted on the second one here. We ended up moving it down just so it didn't keep smacking on my garage door. My most recent upgrade mod that I did was in the back here. It was the Brawley done right tailgate light. So that's really nice for camping. It is super bright, and I actually have it wired in to the DC in the back there with the rocket switch right there. I have one of these switches just because I've got dogs in the back here. I don't want them knocking it, but it fits really nicely into this this gap here, this little space there. So really like that mod. And the cable runs all the way up through here and through the factory harness there for the window washer motor and up to there. So that's a pretty cool little mod that. Keep my soft shackles right here. Over on this side we got first aid kit and a fire extinguisher with a poison spider fire extinguisher mount. I've got this cheap rubber mat, which I actually prefer over the stock one because it actually covers up the carpet, and I just kind of cut a hole in here for my to mount my Yeti. I got dogs, so again I didn't want a dog hair everywhere, so I used this stuff here, this diamond plate kind of floor mat stuff. I think that's Harbor Freight as well, so that saves me from having to like vacuum all the carpet up all the time. Eventually we'll figure out something we can do on the back, so that works out quite well. In the secret compartment here we have a bunch of ratchet straps, jumper cables, air compressor. These are the tools I was using to disconnect my sway bars, microfiber, D-link, D-ring. That's the remote for the Brawley Tailgate light. Tool bag, spare fuses, and in here I have a bottle jack. Love the bottle jack. I used to carry a high lift all the time, but that thing was more of a pain in the ass than anything else and super dangerous. And honestly, with the bottle jacks, that's all I need. It works out great. Never had any issues with that. In here I have my air down tool, have some gloves, have a tree saver. This is originally where the stock jack goes, but I managed to cram it full of a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, that's the tailgate. Hopping into the back, we have umbrella. This is normally tucked in under here actually. Bobber rope. You guys don't know about bobber rope? Look it up. Super awesome ropes. They're like elasticated, super strong, great recovery. Use this all the time. Under there I keep jackets. I got kids jackets, wife's jackets, dog jackets. Here I have my go bag, which is my survival backpack with all kinds of survival goodies in it, axes and firelighters and all kinds of stuff that I need. Under there, I don't know if you can see under there, it's a bit dark, is my winch remote. I keep that under there so I can access it without having to get out of the Jeep. Under here I have a Smitty built tire repair kit. It's always good to carry one of those. Here, baby wipes, bug spray, sunblock, bag. Oh, there's a pair of binoculars, bionicle eyes. Moving up to the front, we have my Bear Grylls Gerber survival knife. That's easy access right there. Jump in real quick. Start from this side. We have the Carolina Metal Masters mirror mount on that side right there. Those things are awesome, kind of expensive, and it has the 1-inch ball mount there. I went with the 1-inch one as opposed to the whatever size the 67 Designs one, which is I have 67 Design mounts over here, just because I already have 2 mounts in 67 Designs, and in the future if I have a 1-inch ball mount that I can use, we can go ahead and use that. And as I said, we got 67 Designs mount here. Absolutely love this thing. It just screws right into the dash right there. Super clean fit, and you can operate this one-handed. And this thing is super solid. A little bit more expensive than your average Amazon phone mount, but 100% worth every penny. Absolutely love this thing. On the other side we have another 67 Designs mount there. It's the same one as my phone mount, with the same arm, mounted to my iPad mini. It's a Bracketron bracket. This is a Bracketron. And then it has a 67 Designs ball mount here, and then I kind of modified and adapted the 67s to fit with the Bracketron. But this mount's really good. I've been on some pretty rough trails and never had any issues with here. It's kind of cool. I keep my Gaia maps on there. Then we have the Cobra, what is this, the 75 WXST. That thing does the job. Honestly, I've had issues with tuning it and whatever. I don't know if it's the fault of the Cobra or whatever, but you know, eventually we'll be upgrading to ham anyway, so that does the job for now. Glove compartment, manual, insurance cards. I have OBD2 reader in here. Normally keep my gun in there too. Put my iPad in there when I'm parked up in a sketchy area. This is the manual version, the 6-speed, hunted high and low for a Stingray manual. So love the manual. A lot of people complain about the stop-start, the auto stop-start on these JLs, but honestly, with the manual, it works perfectly, because by the time you put your foot down on the clutch, you put it in gear, you're already going. So definitely the stop-start thing on the manuals is awesome. What else we got? Center console. We got a flashlight, a clip, a knife, and a Leatherman. Underneath here we have spare sunglasses, extra cards, hand sanitizer, pepper spray, coins, and then underneath there we've got a bunch of other stuff. We've got some more lights, I think there's walkie-talkies, scratch cards, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, center console's pretty cool. I think that is about it. Let's hop out and close out this video. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed the walk around overview of my JL. As you can tell, I've just kind of been upgrading things as I need them. We'll be doing a lot more things to this project. I'm probably going to go with wheels next, Pro Tank for airing up. So yeah, watch this space for more videos coming up with updates to the JL build. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, all that stuff. Appreciate you watching the video. Stay tuned for more updates. Peace.